Good afternoon guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann and this is another episode of the basics of day trading. And today we're gonna talk about what are Bollinger Bands. Let's go! Okay guys, so you should be able to see my screen right now. This is SPX on the daily time frame. And before I dive into an example, what are Bollinger Bands? Well, on this one, let's just look at my chart, right? You see a lot of indicators here and there. Well, Bollinger Bands are just those three indicators here. It is made of one moving average in the middle, usually the 20 SMA, and then two outer bands, but a standard deviation. So the standard deviation, which is this one and this one, is basically some math to calculate a probability, right? So that's what it is used for. Now, why are we using Bollinger Band? Well, Bollinger Band because it can serve as an indicator. It can measure volatility as well. And it can usually tells you where the stock is within the two other bands. All right, so let's go into the example now. First of all, there is way too much stuff here, so let's remove that. So we don't confuse you too much. All right, that's better. And then, yeah, that's fine. So if you look over here, let's say over there, right here where my mouse is, you have the 20 SMA over here. Right, that blue line in the middle, and then you have an outer band over here, and you have another outer band over here, okay? So traders will use that different manners. First of all, this is not, once again, bulletproof indicator. It should not be used by itself. You should use it with something else, like I have here, a MACD or RSI, but you cannot just use that on your own. Depending on your strategy, obviously, this is not financial advice. You do whatever you want with your mindset, your guts, your strategy, your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis. Use whatever fits you. But to me, I will never use that alone because I need more indication, right? So the 20 SMA will basically indicate me where the price action is versus that middle band. And then if we go anything above it, it means that we might, for some trader, it means that we might be in an overbought situation and we do to reverse it a bit. And conversely, on the downside, if we hit the lower band, which is the outer one as well, right? It means that we are in an oversold situation and eventually we're gonna have a mean reversion, which is the price action reversing towards the middle band. That's what Bollinger Bands are, that's what they are measuring, or that's how traders are interpreting that indicator. Now, there is also other ways to do it. Some people will think that if we are outside and closing above the band, maybe we do to continue outside, right? And they might enter it. It might be risky, but that might be their method. Or if we close below, let's say like this one, we closed below, right? Or like this one here, right? We closed below, we tested the 90 EMA here, but then we went lower and lower. So that's an example of, the opposite of what I taught you 2 seconds ago. It's ever people think the Bollinger Band is, if we are outside of it, we're gonna reverse quickly to have a mean reversion, like we call it, and go back to the 20 SMA, or no, and we're just going to continue lower and lower outside of the outer band over here. So there is different way to interpret it, different way to use it, but Bollinger Bands are basically giving you a good idea of the trend and a good idea of where anything will be overbought or oversold. So if you are a regular trader, you can, base yourself out of that. Or if you are a counter trend trader, you can also base yourself out of that as well. A momentum trader, whatever you are, whatever your strategy is, you can use that in conjunction with other indicators such as MACD, RSI, such as maybe the 90 EMA, such as the VWAP, the 200 SMA, whatever you want to use, but something to basically give you a good idea of the momentum of the stock, of the volatility of the stock as well, and of the trend most likely, and an area of overbought and oversold. Hope this helps. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to go on coachyoann.com. Book your free one-on-one mindset coaching with me. I'll be happy to help. And that's it. Have a great weekend and stay safe. Like, subscribe, and share that video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.